Hello everybody, how are you? I am Norris and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. So our today question is an associate tell a customer to pick up their store's assembled bicycle at the 3 p.m. The customer arrives at the stores at 3:30 p.m. and the associate is in the middle of the helping another family purchase bicycles. What should the associate do? The correct answer of the question is inform the customers that is currently helping to another family, but another associate will get two bikes from the stock room. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there are now session on the right side of the website. Will the from and will be answering. So you can thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel until next question. Bye bye.